What up, YouTube? It's your boy Chef Chin. I'm back again for another video of this school life cook stuff. So today we got a real easy peasy day. Not really much to it. Chicken sandwiches and fries, a little bit of butternut squash, and we got some vegan chicken nuggets. So what I'm about to do, start getting into it like I always do, but I can't do nothing unless I glove up. So no glove, no love. First thing we gonna do is the chicken nuggets. It's real easy peasy. All I'm gonna do is dump them out the box onto the tray, and that's all she wrote. How you guys been doing, man? I ain't seen you guys in about a week. I've been chilling, having some car troubles. Car's doing a little bit better now. I don't gotta borrow nobody's car today. I actually drove my own car in today. So, start the day off right. Vegan nuggets. These vegan nuggets is actually good. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be chomping on them every once in a while. Hold on, let me go get one more box right quick. Okay, got another box of these. In case I might get hungry. You know what I'm saying? Little vegan nuggets taste good. Okay, get these out of the way. Yo, I don't know if y'all heard, I've been hearing a lot about this Chris Brown dissing Quavo record, man. I gotta tune into that today when I get done with all of this. I hear Chris Brown went hard as a motherfucker right now. Man, I've been telling dudes Chris Breezy could rap crazy. Nobody want to listen to me. Break down these boxes as I'm going. Yeah, it said Chris Breezy went hard on Quavo. Pause. Break him down, get him out the way. I'm about to just do this. Morning. Bam, that's done. Tray these up right quick. These are the same chicken patties that I use for chicken parms, all that. This that Tyson brand stuff. Get them out the way. Good morning, Betty.
Everything is so fast.
Okay.
Maybe for to do this? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, they just came over here to get some supplies to bring over to the main building. Tomorrow I got a doctor's appointment, so I won't be here tomorrow, so I got to set up for tomorrow for the next guy. Quick little routine checkup. Boxes don't stop. Okay, that's it for the boxes. Okay, that's done. Moving on to butternut squash. It's jumping everywhere. pepper. Okay. Mix this up. Hopefully this is enough for one pan. Man, it's enough for two. Thought I needed 3 bags, I only need 2. Okay guys, for it right now, that's it. What I'm probably about to do is put these on my cart, go get tomorrow's lunch and start on that. It's Tuesday, so you already know we doing tacos. So I just gotta go cook off some beef and get that ready, and then I'll be back with you guys when I'm cooking off these chicken patties. All right, see you guys in a few. Okay, I'm back guys. See, you got a little fresh cut too, man. I bet y'all subscribe now. I got a new cut. So right now, little taco seasoning, brown it up. Probably gonna get like 5 pans out of it, and then after that we gonna start back going on them chicken patties. So when I get the meat all cooked up, I'll show y'all, and then I get back with you guys. Okay guys, got all the beef. Got the chicken patties in. So now all I'm about to do is just pass a little bit of time, wait, start prepping this, and then y'all see me set the line in a few. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, we got everything done now. Chicken patties, squash. Over here we got the vegan nuggets. So I'm about to pack these up, put them in their respectable serving trays, get them in their boxes, get them out of here. Next time y'all see me, I'll be showing y'all the line. Get back with y'all in a minute. So that just about does it for the day, guys. And we all set. Chicken sandwiches. Dollar joints McDonald's used to have. So that's it, man. Quick, simple, easy day. Easy money. Getting it done. Fresh haircut. Remember to go subscribe. If you don't subscribe, like the video. If you don't like the video, share the video. You got 3 options. Please help your boy out. And I'm out.